Welcome to Newbie Poorman Cooking. Today, we're diving into a recipe that's not only delicious but also brings a burst of unique and bold flavors to your table. We're making delectable Sauteed Bitter Melon with eggs, a dish that hails from the Philippines and is also known for its perfect balance of bitter and savory. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming flavor-packed journeys. Without further ado, let's get started! Here are the ingredients. 1 onion slice, 6 cloves of garlic peeled and minced, 4 tomatoes slice, 2 bitter melons or ampalaya cleaned and cut into thin slices, 2 raw eggs beaten in a medium bowl, pork chopped, and salt to taste. Start by heating a pan over medium heat. Since we won't be using any oil, you want to cook the pork first to release its natural oil. Saute until it becomes crispy and release its oil. Once the pork is crispy, add the diced garlic and saute it until it turns brown and fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Add the chopped onion to the pan and saute it until it releases its juices and become translucent. Add the sliced bitter melon or ampalaya to the pan and stir fry for a few minutes and allow it to cook for a few minutes. This helps soften the bitter melon. And then add the sliced tomatoes. Let the tomatoes cook until they become soft and slightly wilted. Cover the pan and let it cook for another few minutes. Once the tomatoes are cooked, remove the lid and stir the content of the pan. Now pour the beaten egg over the sauté mixture. Make sure the eggs are evenly distributed across the pan. Season the dish with salt to taste and mix it all well. Stir the mixture to combine the egg with other ingredients. Continue cooking until the eggs are fully cooked and have scrambled texture. Transfer the sauteed bitter melon with egg or ampalaya with egg to a serving plate. Serve hot as a side dish with rice or as a main dish. Enjoy your delicious sauteed bitter melon with egg, a nutritious, flavorful dish. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Newbie Poorman Cooking.